We have a problem.
We certainly do. These ski helmets we ordered look absolutely amazing. But as you can see, the visor is very dark. This is actually the second lightest visor that you can get for these POC helmets. But as we found out, they're really useless to see in snowy and cloudy conditions.
We went skiing a few weeks ago. The snow was amazing. We had over 1/2 meter of snow overnight, and you could not see anything.
Exactly. Seriously could not see a thing and ended up skiing into a huge pile of snow.
Yeah, so that was hilarious. We skied down, but none of the shops in the village had a lighter lens, and we ended up giving up the skiing for that day.
Yeah, really frustrating that we ended up giving up a whole day's worth of ski for a long weekend's worth of skiing. So in preparation for the next trip, I've ordered these Clarity high intense lenses that fit onto the same helmet. This is the lighter version of the lens, and as you can see, these will be perfect for the snowy and cloudy conditions, and then when it's sunny, we'll just switch back to the other lens for sunny days.
But now that comes to a problem.
And what's that?
How on earth are we going to put those into our luggage without scratching or breaking them?
Exactly. I mean, it's really ridiculous that you order these lenses and all you get is the lens. You don't even get a material cover to cover them. I mean, there's literally nothing else in the box. You really need something to be able to transport this safely for your ski holidays.
So later we went to go check the company website and to look for a case, but no one had them. Nobody.
Yeah, I mean, we literally tried all various different options. We couldn't find something that could safely store this. So there was really only one other thing left to do. A 3D printer. So this is the Bambulabs H2D dual nozzle multi-material 3D printer, and we are going to attempt to make our own case for the lens. How hard can it be?
It's at this moment in movies where they click their fingers and it magically turns into a 3D printing studio.
Nothing happened. At some point we will turn this into a 3D printing studio, but we're really just starting on this journey. So next step, let's try and make this case.
Yep.
Look, it's moving. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's moving. It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
This with our new 3D printer. There are supposed to be magnets here, here, and here, and so then they'll fit together like that. But the only problem is the goggles don't fit. So we're going to have to play around with this to make the size a bit bigger. After a week of 3D printing,
we think we're there. So let's take you through each of our attempts to get us to where we are today. So this was first attempt. It fit together perfectly. We thought it was the perfect shape. But what was wrong?
it was not round enough.
Yeah. Okay, attempt number 2. Much rounder. Also fits together perfectly. But what was wrong?
It was not tall enough.
Not tall enough. And we finally got it right on attempt number 3. The lenses fit in perfectly. The case closes with magnets, holds it all together, and perfect for one set of ski lenses.
But we don't only have one set of lenses, we have 3 sets of lenses. So we need a case that fits all 3.
Yeah, so this was actually attempt number 4, make it slightly bigger to try to fit 3 lenses in. Got that one completely wrong. So on attempt number 5, we have the right size for 3 lenses. And now we're just going to finish it up with the magnets. And we also printed this protective barrier to stop the lenses, to prevent them from scratching. It's made from TPU, which is a soft form of plastic, bit of shock absorption. And next step is to glue this all in, glue our magnets in, and hopefully they will all fit. Let's get to it.
So we're so close, but this magnet here, for these two, you got.
These 2 are propelling, which is the exact opposite of what we want. And it's my fault. I was responsible for the magnets. Now let's hope we can get these things out.
Great success.
After a week of printing and doing different designs and sizes, we finally finished.
So we finally got to the end of this project. We've done what we set out to do. We've designed and printed, and it works, a case to hold all of our lenses, and it's actually going to be really useful for us for our upcoming trip. As you can see, the magnets are now in the right place. The 3 lenses fits in. We've got the TPU as a bit of protection around the lenses, and the magnets hold it all together. And this can just travel with us in our case. You may be wondering why there's 2 different colored blues here, and we thought for the final project, to have it all done, we would actually print it in the strongest material that you could get, which is a carbon fiber type of plastic. It's carbon fiber and plastic combined, which is the dark blue at the bottom. but it's incredibly abrasive. It's not easy to print, and the nozzle has to be incredibly hard, toughened steel, like a carbide steel. And we managed to get one done, and the nozzle is not in great condition, and we reached the limits of time spent on this project, so we printed the rest in normal PLA, which is your basic plastic. It's perfect, it's fine, it's not going anywhere. The carbon fiber was overkill, but that's the reason for the difference. But yeah, done.
Great success.